Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at Toyota Rav4 Trail. This is a 5-passenger 4-door SUV in blue flame. Under the hood you'll find a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 19-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features are your fog lights and daytime running lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, roof rails, and power liftgate. But why don't we hop inside this Rav4 and see what else it has to offer. Key fob right here, it's got our lock and unlock buttons. There's a power liftgate button, which we'll get to in just a sec. This Rav does have a smart key system, so if the vehicle's locked and you got your key fob in your pocket, just put your hand right in there and the vehicle will unlock. On the bottom of the door you have some storage space, and above it you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. This Rav is equipped with black soft X seating, and on the bottom you have your automatic seating adjustment buttons. So why don't we hop inside, start the vehicle up. This is a push to start, put your foot on the brake, press that start button right there. We're going to look on the left side of the steering wheel first. This cluster right here will help you navigate through your multi-information display that's right in the center there. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right, you have your Toyota Safety Sense with your dynamic cruise control and lane departure assist, as well as your cruise control speed settings. Moving on to our screen here, we've got this nice little split screen going. Right now it's on Bluetooth audio. If we go ahead and press audio source, you can see you have your standard AM and FM. Of course, you have a choice between USB and auxiliary or Bluetooth, like we just mentioned. Backup camera, nice and clear. You have different options to view. Moving down to our climate control system, it is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. Underneath are your driver and passenger heated and cooled seats. USB and auxiliary, 12-volt outlet, and this is a key wireless charger. Press that on button, plop your phone there, and that'll just charge right up without any cables. Next to the shifter, you have your different drive modes. 2 cup holders. Center console, nice and simple, plenty of space in there. On the passenger side, you do have this nice little shelf and glove box. Nice and simple, lots of room in there as well. So why don't we just close that right up. So before we hop in the cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back. On the bottom of the door, you do have storage just like the driver's side. More black soft X seating. Behind that front passenger seat, you do have a little pocket for some storage. In here, if we just pull that down, you do have 2 cup holders and a nice little armrest. So to open up, all you got to do is hold this power liftgate button that's located right on your key fob, and that'll open up on its own. Right now we have this little cover going. Just pull that towards up and that'll just retract back. Lots of cargo space. We also have the folding seats, of course, that do go down in case you need that extra bit of room. On the side we have a nice little storage compartment, your power outlets, and underneath here is your spare tire and your tools in case that ever goes. So to close up, all you got to do is just press this button right up here, and that power liftgate will just close on its own. Taking a last look at our Toyota Rav4 Trail. Once again, some of your great interior features include your heated seats, backup camera, and Bluetooth audio. There's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.